What's up guys? Dito sa YouTube channel, I forgot to tell you that we already registered our business, yung tinatayo nating kumpanya, which is yung Renaissance Company. Okay, ito yung mga nakikita natin guys sa mga establishment. Okay, meron na po tayo nito. Dahil yung tinatayo kong agency, yung imperyo na pangarap lang natin dati, ito na siya guys. Kaya congrats nyo naman si Kuya Renny Boy. Ang tanong, sasabay ka ba sa tinatayo kong imperyo? I built this agency guys para sa mga newbies, para sa mga beginners, or gustong mag-work from home setup. Pwede rin naman sa mga may experience, pero ang pinaka main goal ko talaga is makapag-transition po kayo sa mga work from home job. So, ang tanong ko na lang sa inyo, gusto nyo bang sumabay sa itatayong barko ni Kuya Renny Boy? Do you believe that you can also start your own company, your own business, your own agency, or your own empire? I guess you want to have your own business but you don't know where to start. Now, here's your chance. Pero bago ang lahat, shoutout muna sa nanalo ng 500 Gcash na nakaraang video ko. Kung gusto mo rin manalo, comment sa baba kung gaano kapogi si Kuya Renny Boy. Without further ado, pag-usapan natin itong company na tinutukoy ko ngayon. Thank you for calling customer service. We all know that starting a business can be tough, can be challenging, you know, getting funding, finding mentors, finding clients, getting connections, you know, it's all difficult. But you know guys, Athena VC has got you covered. Guys, this is so crazy because this is the only company that I know that can provide money, can provide funds for you to start your own business. With their funding program, guys, you can get cash for your startup company, okay? Expert mentorship and access to a network of entrepreneurs. Amazing, right? What amazing is that you can even get at least $100 guys para makapag-start kayo ng sarili ninyong negosyo. Bibigyan pa kayo ng company na to ng pang-startup ninyo. Ang gagawin nyo na lang is aaralin ninyo kung ano ba yung niche, ano ba yung business, ano ba yung ideas ko para sa itatayo ko negosyo. Athena VC can do that for you guys. So if you have your business idea, meron kayong naiisip na something na tingin ninyo kayang-kaya ninyong patakbuhin, palaguin, guys, this is your time para mag-apply kayo kay Athena VC. Okay, click nyo na lang po yung link dyan sa baba. So I hope you guys can visit their website. So search nyo lang Athena VC. Makikita nyo pa lang guys sa homepage ng website nila. Work sucks, start a company. It will be fun, will match your salary. You keep 90% equity. Ganun ka-solid dito kay Athena VC. And yun, nakikita ninyo na si Rob Liu. Siya yung founder niyan guys at talagang millionaire to. Promise, makikita ninyo yung network na ito, napakalaki at gusto niyo po makatulong sa mga aspiring entrepreneurs like you. When you visit their website, you can find two buttons there, apply for funding or join their community. When you join their community, there are a lot of people, like-minded people who have the same goal like you to start their own business too. So all you need to do is to collaborate and to, you know, to connect with them. There are a lot of business owners, founders, and CEOs who have partnered with Athena VC before, and look at them now. They are all successful and they just started from zero, just like you. You can also view Athena's curriculum. There, you can study 100 related companies, talk to 100 users, talk to 50 industry experts, and build a 10 times better product. There are a lot of learnings here, guys. You can also join their AMA session, guys, weekly Ask Me Anything sessions, because their dedicated team can help participants share business challenges. You know, there are a lot of mentors inside. It's free to join, and they can prioritize questions from Athena founders. Okay, that's good. So, guys, this is a really good community to start. So, I hope you can join their website now. Guys, this is a really good community where you can start your own business. So Athena is strategies and tactics, safe space, hitting goals and accountability, making friends, and raising money. So I hope you start visiting their website, guys, because you will see a lot of you know, successful individuals. Marami pa kayo makikita dyan, guys, ng mga pages and mga tawag dito, mga learnings, okay, kung paano mag-start, kung paano ninyo mapapalago ang isang negosyo. So I hope, guys, maka-join po kayo sa Athena VC. Kita-kits po tayo sa next video. You know guys, Kuya Renny Boy started as a construction worker until I became a call center agent. Eventually, I also became a virtual assistant, and after a few years, I now decided to start my own business, which is Renaissance Company. So, you know guys, you just need to claim all the affirmation, always think that you can do it, you need to believe yourself, and always claim that, yeah, it's gonna happen until you make it. Okay, your future business is just one step away. So you can start building your dream now with Athena VC. Let's go.